I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your payment history on Claro 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Claro app. Launch the Claro app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment details. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you're in the app, look for the Account or Settings section. This is usually found in the bottom menu. Step 3. Select Payment History. In the Account Settings, find and tap on Payment History. This will take you to a detailed view of all your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your payments. You can filter your payment history by date or type of transaction. This helps you find specific payments quickly. Just remember, if you don't see the filter option, try updating the app to the latest version. Step 5. Review your transactions. Take a moment to review your payment history. You should see a list of all your payments, including dates and amounts. I hope this guide helps you easily find your payment history on Claro 2026. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.